Starting around the 25th of April 2023, Axie limitlessness really is exchanging at $7.64 in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 1.21% in very most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Axie, for the most part, has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $886,400,902, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,889,988, which certainly is genuinely huge. This explicitly makes Axie vastness genuinely positioning at 55 in the digital currency market in an especially significant manner. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Axie limitlessness cost expectation end of 2023, what will Axie vastness generally be really worth in 2023? Which basically is very critical. Is Axie boundlessness a truly wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2023? Which generally is very critical. Will Axie cost truly outperform its unequaled high, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking? These basically are our Axie boundlessness cost expectations for Axie's future, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2023 as per the Axie vastness conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Axie value sort of is supposed to basically cross a sort of normal value level of $10.65. The normal pretty least value worth of Axie boundlessness toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to generally be $10.26. Or so they truly thought. Besides, Axie can in every way that really matters arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of $11.93, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie boundlessness value expectation April 2023. With respect to April 2023, Axie vastness cost truly is conjectured to generally arrive at a very the least cost of $7.62, which essentially is genuinely huge. The Axie cost could especially arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of $8.57, with the extremely normal expected cost around $8.33 in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie value gauge May 2023. In May 2023, the cost of Axie vastness truly is estimated to for the most part be at around and in every practical sense least worth of $8.26, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. The Axie vastness value worth can by and large arrive at a kind of limit of $8.99, with the very normal exchanging worth of $8.58 in USD. Or so they especially thought. Axie limitlessness value estimate June 2023. The genuinely normal cost of Axie vastness could generally go to $8.84 toward the finish of June 2023 in a sort of significant manner. Axie could be exchanging around a fundamentally most extreme worth of $9.33, with the by and large least expected cost of $8.44. Or so they sort of thought. Axie vastness value expectation July 2023. Concerning July 2023, Axie boundlessness cost generally is conjectured to truly arrive at a kind of the most reduced cost of $8.79, which is genuinely critical. The Axie cost could arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $9.77, with the kind of typical expected cost around $9.19. So will Axie cost outperform its unsurpassed essentially high in a genuinely significant manner? Axie endlessness value gauge August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Axie boundlessness basically is explicitly anticipated to arrive at a truly normal cost of $9.56, while the coin could exchange between an in every practical cent limit of $10.14 and a very least of $9.24, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Axie boundlessness in a real sense is gauged to be at around and in every practical sense least worth of $9.45, or so they truly thought. The Axie limitlessness value worth can essentially arrive at a very limit of $10.52, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $9.85 in USD, which truly is genuinely critical. Axie endlessness value figure October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of Axie boundlessness explicitly is basically anticipated to really arrive at a truly normal cost of $10.04, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $10.91 and a genuinely least of $9.65 in a sort of significant manner. Axie endlessness value conjecture November 2023. The Axie limitlessness cost for November 2023 may truly arrive at a very least worth of $10.03, while the essentially greatest estimated cost explicitly is around $11.42, or so they generally thought. The fundamentally normal cost for Axie is somewhat anticipated to sort of reach $10.34 in November 2023. Extremely further appearance how Axie vastness value estimate June 2023 the really normal cost of Axie boundlessness could go to $8.84 toward the finish of June 2023 in an especially enormous manner. Axie vastness value expectation December 2023. Axie endlessness cost in every practical sense is supposed to in a real sense reach between $10.26 to $11.93 in December 2023, while the very normal cost of Axie for the December all things considered stays around $10.65. Axie boundlessness in every way that really matters. Past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been most certainly diminished by 2.95% in its fundamentally current worth. Assuming we generally look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the Axie with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie vastness fundamentally is confronting a sort of difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins in an unpretentious manner. The Axie fundamentally is down to nearly 19.17% in the especially most recent 7 days, or so they generally thought. The coin essentially is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for past truly couple of days. The coin could in every practical sense have sort areas of strength for of however. We don't fundamentally imagine that it would a beneficial resource in extremely present moment, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of Axie for the most part diminished by 14.882%, wiping out an incredible fundamentally normal amount of $1.34 from its ongoing worth. So in the event that we basically look at the truly current market cap of the Axie with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap is likewise down in a significant manner. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a fundamentally decent for the most part purchase and open door for sort of speedy venture, showing the way that Axie could basically be exchanging around a really greatest worth of $9.33 with the very least expected cost of $8.44 in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change sort of is around 12.97%, and the cost really coursed from a sort of least especially normal cost of $6.49 to genuinely most extreme pretty normal cost of $6.78 in the very beyond 90 days, which essentially is very huge. Axie boundlessness certainly is somewhere near 1.25%, with the extremely greatest especially normal cost of the coin fundamentally was around $10.23, and the very least essentially normal cost of truly was around $6.87 in truly beyond 4 months, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Axie cost in every way that really matters is determined to basically arrive at an all things considered greatest degree of $11.93 with genuinely least cost of $10.26 toward the finish of 2023. By and large further appearance how the Axie generally is down to nearly 19.17% over the most recent 7 days, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Does Axie vastness have a future in a truly significant manner? As far as value, Axie limitlessness sort of has an extraordinary really potential to arrive at new levels in an unpretentious manner fundamentally. It sort of is figure that Axie will increment in esteem, showing how Axie boundlessness value